Hey guys, it's Abby from Make Life Your Runway, and I have two fun hauls in this video. I have a grocery haul from Bean Delivery, and I also have a CVS couponing haul. Such good stuff. I mentioned last week in the Whole Foods grocery haul that we do bulk shop at Costco once a month, but we wanted an option to have produce throughout the month, and why not have it delivered to our house? So this isn't sponsored or anything, but Green Bean delivers produce and groceries to your house from local farmers, so it's like pretty good quality. So I will show you what we got for groceries and what we got from CVS. So if that sounds like something you'd like to watch, then just keep watching. Here we go. Okay, so when you order from Green Bean, they put this box on your doorstep, and then you leave the old one out, and then they'll switch it out with a new one, and then it comes with like the packaging, like a cold pack and a top for the styrofoam box. So this is everything that we picked up. This is about $53, and I think we did pretty good. It would have been honestly a little bit cheaper, but there were some things on here that I thought looked amazing, so I picked them up. Starting with these Pamela's cinnamon graham crackers. They are gluten-free. We got stuff to make s'mores, but didn't have gluten-free graham crackers, so cinnamon s'mores. Come on, it's fall. It's like the perfect time. I used Pamela's pancake mix, and it's really good. Okay, so next we have kettle chips. This is Kettle brand crinkle cut potato chips. These are the sea salt kind. You can get these at any grocery store, but I just thought they looked really good, and I love Kettle chips. Okay, here's the thing with chips. My friend's trying to live a balanced life. You do need to take into consideration serving size. An actual serving size of chips is only about 9 chips or 28 grams if you food scale measure your food. So chips, are they healthy? I think if you think in terms of serving size, if you have 1 to 2 servings of them every few days, every day, it doesn't really matter, then you're okay. It's just when you eat half a bag. So I do tend to put a serving size in a bowl, and then I'll go sit down with the bowl, so that if I do decide to get up and get more, it's an actual thought, an intentional thought, and not just mindless eating. So there's your tip for the day. If you're new here, I am a personal trainer. I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian, but I at least teach people healthy habits, and if they want a little bit further than that, then they'll have to seek those professions. But we personally in our household are just on a mission to be more balanced, no calorie restrictions, no crazy diet other than I am gluten-free. So that's kind of where we're at, and we started posting Costco hauls on our channel a couple months back, and you guys absolutely love them and want more content like that from me. So subscribe. If you're new, you'll get that, but you'll also get some beauty videos too. So it's a mixed bag. It's just like, you know, Make Life Your Runway. Like, I'm just sharing my life with you guys, and it's not just one faceted. It's we all have different things we're interested in. But anyways, so we've really been enjoying eating small plates, and I think I'll talk about this more in our October Costco haul. We just really are kind of grazing all day, and then we'll eat like a light dinner together. So we haven't been going through all the food we've been getting, so I think we'll make the adjustments needed for our upcoming Costco haul. But I wanted to go ahead and get some salami so that we could eat some small plates. And this is the Applegate brand, and I do prefer, especially like salami pepperoni, to be nitrate free. It does usually make it a little bit more money, unfortunately, but you know, we don't buy everything organic, so we just kind of pick and choose ways to swap out certain things. So I talked about that a lot in the September Costco haul. I think picked 5 items that we upgraded the quality on, like eggs and that kind of thing. So you can go watch that for more information. Okay, these are alfalfa sprouts, and when I worked, well, in college, I worked at Jimmy John's, and at that time, they had sprouts on their sandwiches. They stopped because sprouts sometimes get contaminated, and they get pulled off the shelves a lot, and I think Jimmy John's, that was just too much, like probably too much of a financial burden on them, so they stopped. And you can't always find them in the grocery store, so I was really excited to see them, and we'll probably put them on sandwiches and salads. And these will have a long shelf life, like honestly less than a week, but I'm really excited to have these again. I don't think it'll be like an every week staple, but it's like one of those things like, man, I haven't had that in a long time. So we got that. We're not getting it. We got it. And then this is so random, Brussels sprouts. This is like maybe a dinner and leftovers for 2 people, but it's such like a random amount. But I'm excited. They're fresh Brussels sprouts. We'll chop them up. We'll roast them. They'll be delicious. I can't wait. And then I went ahead and got some organic mayo. So this is an example of kind of picking an item to upgrade the quality on. We typically just do like, sorry, it's not focusing. There we go. We usually just do like a cheaper option to mayo that's full of like crap, like Hellmann's, or my husband likes Miracle Whip, which that's controversial whether that's mayo or not. But this is Woodstock brand. It's organic mayo. The only ingredients are soy and egg. So I love having egg salad or tuna salad, and I wanted a healthier mayo to put in it. So that's what I got. And then we have the Blue Diamond almond milk. This is Almond Breeze, and this is unsweetened original smoothies, cereal. I showed the cereal in the CVS haul, you know, that kind of thing. Key. Do what you want, but key for me is that there's no sugar added. So gotta get that. Alright, so then we're just left to produce. There's only a couple of processed things. So I like Laura bars. I like that they have just a few ingredients. Like this is the blueberry muffin one, and the ingredients, all right, it's dates, apples, blueberries, vanilla extract. So I really like these. Here's the thing, because it's dates, there's a lot of like calories and fat in them. And so if you're doing something like Weight Watchers, I looked it up one day because I was curious. This would be like 9 to 12 points. I watch a lot of girls who do Weight Watchers, so I'm always curious. But I think this is an example of sometimes the quality of your food. Like this is gonna, as far as bars go, this is gonna fuel my body more than like some Fiber One processed light bar. Sometimes you have to look at what you're eating and not always just at the calorie count. That is my overall point. But now we're going to move to produce. So we got organic apples. These have a couple of days before they are ready to be eaten. We got 3 pears that feel like they need a couple of days as well. But look how good this like produce looks. Nice and solid, like just delicious, like juicy. Can we call it juicy? And then Valencia oranges, we got 3. There's just 2 of us, so we're pretty realistic with how much fruit we can eat in a week and a half. And so we got 3 of those, and then we got a couple of apples. Like these are, I think, Gala apples. Or Macintosh. I don't know what kind of apples these are, but don't they just look absolutely amazing? And then I got 1 huge avocado that's going to take a little while until it's ready to eat. So I think we did really well. The produce obviously looks a lot better than it's looking in the grocery store right now. Typically we would go to the grocery store, but like I don't know what's wrong with them right now. At least in my area. I live in Indiana, and it's not looking great for us over here, but the local farmers got it on point. So I don't know if we'll do this weekly. I don't know if we'll do it bi-weekly. We'll just kind of navigate, I guess. You put in the order for where I live every Thursday. Maybe their whole thing's every Thursday. I'm not quite sure. But we'll just kind of navigate where we are next Tuesday, Wednesday. It's Thursday now, obviously, as I got it. Yeah. So we'll see. But thank you guys for watching the grocery haul. Now we're going to slide right into the CVS haul. Ooh, it's a good one. Alright guys, when I mentioned in my weekly makeup basket that I've been doing a lot of CVS couponing, a lot of you guys said you do too. So I thought I would just include this week's CVS haul, even though it's not really makeup related. So I think this is just kind of a hobby for me. I do try to stick to things that we need, but it is fun and it's just something to do that's like outside of the house. And you know, when I go to Target or something like that, it's just like, I don't know. You can't leave there without spending like $30 to $100, if not more. So it's like, when you're trying to live that budget life, it's like you have to be very careful about going to Target. But I enjoy that moment of going to Target and browsing the store and doing all that. And I feel like CVS is like a safer financial option for that. Plus it's kind of fun to see what you can find on sale. So these two bags were $21 for everything that's in here. I am learning to coupon shop, so leave your tips down below. I'm still not great at it, but we're getting there. So the first thing we got were these Tide Pods. These are 4-in-1 Extra Oxy, and there are it's a 12 ounce, so I don't know how many are actually in here. And so this is typically $6.99 and I paid $2.52 for it. Alright, I had to charge my battery for a little while. So I showed you the Tide. Next up we have the Dunkin' Hazelnut. These are K-Cups, and these were originally $10.29 and I paid $4.27 for them. I did need some Q-tips, and then they had $1 off of like the 360 brand cotton products. So these are the Beauty 360 cotton swabs, and there are 500 in here. And these weren't a crazy deal. These were $3.89 originally, and I paid $2.97. And then I had a spend 20 get $4 off coupon, and so I picked up these. They were on, well, I had a coupon for them, and I'm just kind of curious. They're the Glam Squad brand, which I've never tried, and they're micellar makeup remover wipes refreshing cucumber, and they feel like they're pretty wet, which is nice. So this is what they look like. They are originally $6.99 and I paid $5.34, and I don't use wipes often, but I do like to have them on hand to use on days that I'm really tired when I need to take my makeup off. But there are 25 in here, so I'll let you guys know if they're good or not, but we love that. And then in the second bag right here, I got cereals. So we got the Honey Nut Cheerios. These are all General Mills because they had a coupon. I'll tell you guys in a second. We had Reese Puffs, and then Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And these are for my husband. I'll probably eat some of the Honey Nut Cheerios, but he loves cereal, and he loves cereal variety. So we got him some of that. And then this is for me. This is the Nature Valley Protein Chewy Bar, peanut, almond, and dark chocolate. There are 5 in here, and they have 10 grams of protein. I try to stick with something like the lower bar because they have better ingredients, but these have more protein and they were on sale, so they won out for this time around. So the cereals were originally $5.49 each, and I paid $1.26 each. So each box was $1.26, and then these Nature Valley bars are originally $4.59 and I paid $1.89. So total was $21.80. I saved $28.05, and the savings came from the Tide. That was $2.52 because they were on sale, and I had a $2 off coupon. I had the $4 off $20 purchase, and you had to be in person to do that deal. It was $2 off $8 General Mills, and the cereal was already on sale for $1.99, and the granola bar was already on sale for $2.99. So I stacked the coupons onto the sales, and then $1 off the Beauty 360 cotton. And then of course you get all of the coupons that follow. So none of these are what is it, extra bucks. These are all just more sale or like coupons. So I don't know if I'll end up using them, but I do keep them, and I usually end up just adding them to my card on my app. And you can shop the app. Some things are only in store, but most food is usually in store and cleaning products, but all other things you can usually get through the app and use all the sales. And that's nice because you can really spend time kind of navigating what you want, playing with it, getting it the price you want, making sure you got the best deal. But shipping takes a little while. Last thing I ordered from the app, it took like, one thing came in 2 weeks. I think it was like 2 weeks, and the other thing came in 3 weeks. So you definitely want to make sure it's not something you need right away, or else you should just go to the store. But that is an option. So if this is helpful, ooh, oven's preheated. If this is helpful, let me know, and I'll keep including them on my channel for you guys. I just really like showing you ways to live frugal, to have it all, to have what you want, but just kind of wheel and deal a little bit, okay? So, yeah. Thanks for watching my CVS. Alright guys, I sat on the floor the whole time we did the green bean delivery haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like 2 kind of random hauls to put in one video, but that's what I did today in between work. So I thought I would just share it because I know it's kind of things that you guys are interested in as well. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on notifications. Did you know like 40% of you guys are not subscribed? Is your mind blown? Only 20% of you have your notifications on. What are you doing? Just click it or smash it, as some people say. Alright, that's all. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!